Dogecoin holders, are you surviving? Are you panic selling right now? Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and where I think it could be head here. So welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Maxi. I got another video for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. All right, guys, so we are looking at the Dogecoin price chart, and we have broken down from this ascending channel, and we came all the way down, tested this important level at 25 cents, and we saw a massive, brutal capitulation wick down to 20 cents, which immediately got bought back up, back to this 24-cent level. Now, in my previous Dogecoin videos I've been saying for a while, guys, do not be surprised to see massive trappy behavior because this is phase 3 of this bull market cycle, guys, and every phase 3 of the 4-year cycle has the most volatile, most trappy, but also has the most gains inside of this phase. And we're seeing that exactly play out right now, and lots of trappy behavior, guys. You know, I said if we close below this on a daily, weekly time frame below 25 cents, I would be open to shorting Dogecoin a little bit. And guys, I really want to emphasize I am not bearish on altcoins long term. I am just trying to hedge against to the downside. I want to protect my spot bags. And if you guys do want to take advantage of this volatility, you want to protect your spot bags, or you want to make some profit on the way down, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. Please take advantage. This is a limited time offer. So even if you don't want to trade right now and you want to be buying this dip in a year from now, you'll be grandfathered into that 15% off all trading fees. So take advantage of it right now, guys. So where is Doge right now? Doge is sitting at rank number 8, down nearly 20% in the past 7 days and up about 3.18% in the past 24 hours. Sitting at a $37.2 billion market cap, nearly 50% off from the all-time high of this cycle at about 66 billion. Looking at about a 1.12 billion 24-hour volume. It's pretty significant. It's nice to see that while the price is coming up. When you look at the entire market, though, these altcoins are beaten and battered. Ethereum down to $2,600. We saw a massive capitulation wick, and basically, in my opinion, that's the signal saying, hey, guys, this environment is not too friendly to risk-on assets being altcoins. And Ethereum is the indicator I like to use because when Ethereum is closing above, say, $4,000, that, in my opinion, is the green light of, okay, be prepared for some massive volatility across the board for alts. But when Ethereum is not performing well, guys, that's an indication, in my opinion, that altcoins are probably going to be bleeding out against Bitcoin. That's exactly what we're seeing. Bitcoin dominance trading at 60.63%, excluding stablecoins, 62.63%, guys. Over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blackc. I posted this infographic of this chart that I've been really looking in depth here because this is a very important chart. I say retesting of the previous cycle high is not what I had on my bingo card this cycle. Every cycle prior to this one, this marked the bear market low. Every single time that the total crypto market cap has retested after breaking out above the prior cycle high, the overall asset class sitting at $3 trillion, every single time that Bitcoin has come down and retested it, that was the bear market low. Now, have we ever seen a move above it? A little bit of a double top and testing it? No, this is a first time, guys. So this is a little bit different. That's why I say this was not on my bingo card, but I would be willing to bet that we are probably close to the bottom for this others.d, the overall money invested into crypto that is not in the top 10 coins. I believe that we are getting close to the bottom here, and I do expect quite a significant bounce. You look at Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, we are testing the previous high here at about 60% back in November 20th. This is when I thought the top was in. We saw a big move to the upside, like a blow-off top. I did not expect that to happen, and now we are retesting that level prior. And I do want to really hit this home here, guys. We really want to break down below this. We really want to break down below this sooner rather than later. And this is happening exactly as I predicted. I said we were in a rising wedge, within a rising wedge right now, and we're positioned to the downside. But if we don't break down below this previous high and don't put in like a little bit of a double top, then we probably start to make our way all the way up here to retest and fill 64 to 65% Bitcoin dominance, which would be very, very painful for Dogecoin, guys. And I don't want to see that. But right now, I am short altcoins and long Bitcoin. That's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do that. I am just short in the short-term time frames on altcoins because I do think that the risk is to the downside for alts right now. Bitcoin is showing strength. There's a lot of uncertainty across the board in the market, guys. But when you look at Dogecoin, I do want to also say that testing the 24, 25 cent price level, this is, I would not be surprised to see this be the bottom. I wouldn't. But if we start closing below it, then I'm going to say, hey guys, look out below because we're probably going to come down and revisit this level here at about 20 cents. But as of right now, there's a good chance that that we're bottoming for Bitcoin. We're going to see a bounce. So keep your eyes wide open here, guys. Now, I know that I'm not trying to always be a big bear, but I want to be transparent here on the Crypto Report, and this is what I'm seeing right now. Do I think that Dogecoin, it's all over, altcoins are going to zero? No, I don't. But I do think based on the market conditions right now, alts are in a little bit of a sketchy position. And Bitcoin is strength. It's showing strength. That's how I feel about this. You look at market cipher, the money flow is coming out. It is putting in a bottom signal, this green dot in volume. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's a chance that this is the bottom. There's a good chance of that playing out, especially you get that little tiny bit of a trap. This is the time for the traps. You're going to see lots and lots of traps, so please be careful, guys. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, follow me, 333blackc on Instagram and Twitter, as well as check out Blowfin down below if you want to protect yourself to the downside or you want to profit off of some of these altcoins moving down in the short term, and you want to maybe even try to knife catch that bottom and get a sweet entry on an awesome long to take us to all-time highs. Not saying that's going to happen, but if it does happen and you want to take advantage of it, check out in the description box or pin comment down below. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.